A man spent $40,000 buying out two IMAX theaters to prove ex-girlfriend wrong. His ex-girlfriend dumped him 7 years ago because he could not afford two movie tickets for a date. China claims its quantum computer can solve the problem in just 70 minutes, which took Google's computer 8 years to solve. Dolphins love pregnant women because they communicate by ultrasound baby's mom's heartbeat. They can also hear baby's heartbeat. They find it fascinating. Over 3,000 engineers and architects have stated publicly that it is impossible for the towers to fall in due to the plane crash. President Obama visited the Henry Ford Museum and sat in the same bus, wearing 1955 Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat to make way for a white costumer. 12th April 2012. Australia's Christmas Island has a bridge of crabs to prevent them from being crushed by vehicles during mass migration. Babies can only see white and black for the first month of their birth because the retinal nerves are not fully developed yet. You commit a crime in North Korea, it's not just you that goes to prison, your entire family goes too. The Dead Sea is so dense with salt that you can easily float on it without drowning. In a recent test, Android beat Apple iOS in every test. Test revealed that Android is much better than iPhone in almost every way. MS Dhoni once affected a stumping in just 0.09 seconds, which is even faster than blinking of eyes. This also set a world record for fastest stumping ever. Rebroadcast of Ramayana on Doordarshan smashes viewership records worldwide. The show became most watched entertainment show in the world with 77 million viewers on 60th of April. Every day, 16% of the searches that occur are one that Google has never seen before. It takes 21 days to get into a new habit or to quit a bad habit. India has the lowest divorce rates in the world. Only 1 in 100 marriages end up in divorce. Israel is the only country in the world where women can be found roaming with the M16 assault rifle. An angry Indian king purchased 10 Rolls-Royce cars and used these cars as garbage collector when he was insulted by a Rolls-Royce salesman in London, saying he could not afford it. You'd have seen the clock icon in your phone, but you might not have noticed that hour and minute hand of that clock actually moves as time passed by. MS Dhoni sold his 2011 World Cup bat for ₹72 lakhs. Then he donated all the money to help poor children in India. Your texting speed usually depends on the importance of person you are texting. When Elon Musk was in college, he turned his house into a nightclub to pay the rent. A photo properly titled "The Beauty of Ireland." Royal women used to give birth in front of an audience to prove that the child was indeed the fruit of the royal woman's womb. Meet Sneha, an advocate from Tamil Nadu, India. She becomes the first person in India to be a citizen with no caste and no religion after fighting for 9 years. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.